How to schedule reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now select reels. Now select the video. Then tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on more options. Now simply turn on the toggle for schedule this reel. Now select the date and time. Then tap on done. Now simply go back and tap on schedule. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.